I'm an engineer Azamad. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will solve down this basic question. So this is also about the series and sequence. So here the trick is used. We have to add 4 with each number. Okay. If you will look at these two numbers, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then we have to look at these two numbers, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Then we have to look at these two numbers, 11 plus 4, the result is 15. So this number we have to find. So if we will add 15 plus 4, then the result will be 19. So x is equal to 19 will be our final answer. Thank you so much, viewers.